Let's bring in the new year the right way.
In the place, in your face, it's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you again. And I want to say Happy New Year to all of you family. I hope this one be a prosperous and a successful year for each and every one of you guys. And to help that out, we're going to do an old tradition. We're going to make us a New Year's Day black eyed peas. Keep that prosperity going the whole year long, baby. Let's get to it. Yeah.
You need black eyed peas. Use whatever kind of meat you want. I got a turkey wing, chicken broth. We're gonna use half of this onion. We got some kosher salt, some Lawry seasoning salt, some coarse black pepper, some onion powder, and we got us a bay leaf. We got us some oil. Now let's cut our onion. So we're just gonna split it down the middle. Let's get through it. There we go. Split it down the middle. Cut the ends off. We're gonna cut it the long way. Then we're gonna cut it the sideways. This is what's gonna make our dice. So let me just get through it. And then we're gonna cut it down. And as you can see, there's our dice onions, baby. And that's what they looking like. Dice onions, baby. All right, now let's get some oil in our pot. Allow it to heat. Then we're gonna add our onions. We're gonna saute them down about a minute or two till they come translucent. Now we're gonna add our chicken broth, and we're gonna use the whole container of chicken broth. So we got 4 cups of this container. So we're just gonna get it all in there. And we also adding 2 cups of water. I know you don't see me putting it in here, but we're adding 2 cups of water as well. We're just gonna stir it, get everything mixed up. We're gonna season it with that Lawry seasoning salt. We're gonna hit it with some black pepper. We're gonna hit it with that onion powder. Let's stir it up, mix it up. We're gonna taste it. You don't want it too salty because remember, your meat, if you have any smoked meat or using ham, it's already has sodium in it. So we're gonna taste it, adjust to taste. So I'm gonna add my kosher salt. I'm gonna taste it again. Yeah, then we there. Let's go ahead and get our meat in there, whatever meat you're using. As you can see, I'm using a turkey wing. Now let's go ahead and get our black eyed peas in there. Just pour them in there. And let's just stir it around. Make sure everything is spread evenly through the pot over the turkey wing. We're gonna drop us a bay leaf in there. We're gonna put us a lid on it. We're gonna leave the lid cracked. We're gonna let it vent that way. As you can see, got the little crack right there. So about after an hour and a half on the low simmer, we're gonna come back, we're gonna stir it. Make sure your beans are not sticking. Your black eyed peas, same thing. Make sure they're not sticking. Make sure everything is doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's looking delicious. It's coming along just fine. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and take our turkey wing out so I can debone it. I like mine debone. You can leave yours whole if you want. So now we go ahead and get this meat off of the bone, baby. And word to the wise, use a fork because it's still hot. So just gonna use a fork. We're gonna make sure we clean the bone off. And like I say, family, I'm a picky eater. I don't like all the fat, tendons, and all of that. I don't want that in my beans, black eyed peas. So I just like the lean meat, and I just cut it down. You know, strictly lean turkey meat. I don't want that other stuff, but you can use it. I'm just gonna add it back to my pot. We're gonna mix it in. And we're gonna let it cook for about another hour and a half. And there it is, black eyed peas, baby. Yeah.
All right, family, that is it. That is all. We got our New Year's Day black eyed peas, y'all. Yeah, check this out. Ooh. Yeah, there it is. Black eyed peas, baby. Yeah. See what we got here. We got some of the smoked turkey wing in here. We got these beans seasoned deliciously. All we gotta do is taste it. I should have made some cornbread with it. I love me some cornbread too. but I ain't feel like going to the store to get no cornbread. But anyway, let's taste these black eyed peas and bring in the new year like we supposed to, baby. Yeah. Ooh, let's get us a good spoonful, baby. Get some of that turkey wing meat in there. Still hot, baby. Look at that. Still hot. Look at that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's hot, but oh, so delicious. All right, family. If you found this video informative, valuable, hit the like button, the subscribe button, share it with your people. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you know what we're doing when we're doing it. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Happy New Year to everyone. I'm gone. Yeah.